Alrighty. This is just we're going to be doing a video today on the Valken M17. It's going to be the full kit from Defence-24.com. Florian and Daniel's new kit. But yeah, it's got all the springs and the sears, the detents, and it's got the regulator, the ASA on-off, self-purging. And we're going to be trying, I'm not going to be using this drum actually. Here, I'll take that out. I'm not going to be using this drum because basically you just pour all the balls in. So there'll be no direct order for them. So I'm just doing a recording test with 750 PSI. I got a 9 CI tank in there. So I'm going to be shooting a mag of 3 aluminum balls, 3 9.9 Canada Riot balls, or Home Defence-24 sells those same balls, and also 3.6 grammers, the little red ones, Canada Riot balls. So yeah, the first tank I'm going to be using is just a 9 CI, and it's only 750 PSI output. And then the next tank I'll be using with the same ammo, I'll be doing 1100 PSI. But yeah, and we got the new Home Defence-24 barrel and the muzzle brake and all the springs, the bolt spring, the heat core, all the other sear springs and all that, ASA on off. This one here will degas your marker completely. I find it's one of the better ones I own. But they're all really nice either way, but this one will degas you, so yeah, let's give it a try here. So hold on a second, let me just set this down. I'm gonna adjust this chronograph. Okay. Got a bunch of garbage there. So it's been a while since I shot this. I think it was the last time I used a drum mag. But I'm just going to be using the normal magazine. Just a standard 20 rounder mag. I only got about 9 shots, so 3 of each balls. I don't know how many we'll get off this 9 CI tank. But put it in and see what happens here. Okay, no rollouts. So let's turn the chronograph on. I should lower the camera too. Whoop. Just gonna be shooting down at a barrel trap. Alrighty, so let's gas this up and see how it goes. Oh, one of the riot balls just came out. Alrighty, so let's see what happens. There's 750 PSI. $392. $393. So next to the aluminum balls. $442. $435. And now the, whoops, camera fell. Now we're going to be doing the 3.6 gram riot balls. Damn, this thing. Okay. So here's the right balls. .576. Whoops, I hit something hard up there. Okay, 560. Now we'll degas. See? Just twisting that degassed the marker completely. So we only went through about 11 or 1200 psi. So we're just sitting under the 2. So 9 shots with a 9 CI tank. It's not bad. Okay, so yeah, I'll just set this over here. Yeah, so let me write these numbers down. I just want to write the highest, and I'll get a reading off the 750 psi tank. So oh wait, hold on. So the 9.9 is 1 fill at the barrel, so so 393. And 577. Oh wait. So 568. 577. So 577. And 445. 135. 445. Alrighty. So let me check this out. See what the Joule is. Oh wow. That's 70 joules so far with the 9.9. 70.65, rounded off to the nearest, so around 71 joules. So let's see what the other ones are. 7.5 at 445. All right, so the aluminum balls was 69 joules. 69. And for the 3.6 balls, let's see what those were. Wow. For some reason, the 3.6 gram at 577 is only given a reading of 55 joules. So I find that very strange. Anyways, I won't be using those. So let's try the 1100 psi now. Alright, just gotta put some in the bag. so we'll go alrighty, just gonna swap the tank. Okay. Alright, I got the 1100 PSI tank in. There's no stock on this one, it was on the other one. I kind of got it bolted on. So let's put our mag in. Same 3 rounds. Okay, let's get this chronograph back on. Alright, let's gas this up. Oh, another ball come out. Alright, so $466, $468, and for the aluminum balls. Uh-oh. Okay, what's going on here? Why are you coming out? I think it's the detent. I'm gonna have to try and get one of those Wixon detents. $519, $513, $524, and now the 3.6 grammars. $667. Duplicate. And $665. Not bad. A lot higher with the 1100 PSI, so now we just simply turn this to degas it. The marker's purged. It's now safe. Yeah, other than the 2 Canada balls seem to like to roll out, and one of the alloy balls. They're both around 683 in diameter, so they're about the same size. All 3 of those balls, actually. But yeah, let me get these numbers here for you. Okay, so we got 665, 667, so 667, 524, 524, $468, so 468. All right, I'll punch these numbers in here. So 9.9 holy crap, man. That's exactly 100.19 joules for the 9.9 grams. So, for the aluminum balls, 7.5. So for the aluminum balls, that was 95 joules, is just 5 less. So it really likes the heavies. Now let's go to 3.6. 3, at 667. Wow, so there's something about those light balls. They're coming out way less power, but they're the same diameter as the 9.9s and the aluminum. Because I have a barrel, aluminum barrel that they fit snug into. And you have to, they won't roll out, but you can blow them out like a spitball. And all 3 ammos are the same, so they're roughly the same size. And that's very strange. Now this one's only saying 74 joules for the 3.6 gram balls, Canada Rye balls. I mean, yeah, they're coming out fast, but they're losing a lot of power. Maybe it's because of the light projectile. It's definitely not the bore or the matching of the bore, because they're all the same. So, to me, the next thing you go to would be, I guess, the lightweight. I really don't understand it personally, but hey, that's the results, and the crony, unfortunately, doesn't really lie. So, either way, man, those are some good numbers. Wow, I'm impressed. 100 joules of the M17, 1100 psi. The most I was getting from it was, I was getting around 49 joules. The way I had it set up with the original Mikey Canada Rye ball mods. So yeah, you've seen that right there, guys. We just got 70 joules with a 750 psi tank. Like, that's going to be really good on the internals, but I wouldn't be pelting nobody. Like, well, if you can, you can. But if you can't, in your countries and stuff like that, I wouldn't be using those 70 plus joules. Like, you can really hurt somebody with those. So, I don't know. I think 50, 60 with 68 caliber round balls. I think that's the sweet spot. And for the 50 cals, I don't know, 40, 45 tops for those with them steel bearings. But anyways, guys, you guys seen it. Once again, this is the M17 Valken and the Home Defence-24 kit. Whole redone. This kit here is an EBR M14 kit. It's got the magwell, this top part here. It's got a stock that comes with it and this foregrip. You can get that at MagFed Maker. And homedefense24.com, guys, to get all this. Revamp your M17. This thing's amazing, wow. Like, and you won't have to worry about the internals breaking or fucking up on you with just 750 psi. Like, even 600 psi should bring it more down to like 50 joule mark, I think. I don't have a tank like that, or I tried out. I got an 850. I got an 800, I got a few 1100s, and then I got this one 751 that I just used. But anyways, guys, you guys take care as always. Stay safe and have fun.